Hi guys, do you like guns like I do? Today I'm gonna show you my favorite air guns, Gletscher. Let's have some fun.
Italian food just couldn't exist without spaghetti, just as Italian mafia couldn't exist without Beretta. I'll prove it to you with the Gletscher BRT92FS. In the set there is a Gletscher airgun, hex nut wrench, and instructions. Carefully read and understand safety instructions before using this gun.
Watch following video with instructions.
Safety. Press magazine holder and remove the magazine. Unscrew the cylinder retention screw using the hex nut wrench. Insert the cylinder until it fits. Tighten the cylinder retention screw. Loading. For this model it's recommended to load no more than 19 BBS at once, so count carefully. If put more than 19 you could get in trouble. Insert the magazine until it clicks. I recommend using protective shooting goggles. Okay, looks like we are ready to shoot. Incorrect aiming. Correct aiming, rear sight and fore sight should be on one line. Good shot. That's great! It's unlawful to aim or shoot at people or animals. And it's not recommended to aim the pistol at yourself.
So guys, now you know everything about Gletscher. Have fun and be safe.